Here we go.
Let's see the cats. Oh, did it turn off?
I can't tell if it's, I think it's going now. It's red.
Cinda, come say hi to the cats, huh? Hey, Freckles. Who's a good one to put down, do you think? On the floor.
Freckles is usually pretty good.
Come here, Freckles. Bless your heart. That would probably kill me, wouldn't she? Cinda? See how different it is? What do you think, girl? Oh, your tail's between your legs. That's too funny. Come here, Cinda. Come say hi. You don't want to say hi. Good. Now we need to... See, she's just warming up, so... How about Lewis? That would be a good one. He's her size.
Yeah.
Sorry. Cinda, away there. It's okay, Cinda.
You just don't care about him at all, do you, much?
Well, we're just warming up, so I'm wondering.
Baby girl.
Oh, good. Good, good,
Baby
good.
girl.
Look. Look here.
Lewis hissing?
There's a growl. It's okay. It's okay. The cat's pretty aggressive, isn't he?
Yeah, he is. He's
a good one.
Stinker.
Cinda?
And we're ignoring him.
Good. Hey, Lewis. What happens if I pet Lewis? Cinda, what do you think, honey? You scared of? Well, she did slightly growl, but at least she's ignoring.
I think Junebug's jumping around in her.
Mm-hmm. I don't know. What do you think?
She's pretty non-reactive, really.
Yeah. Yeah, you're kind of surrounded. Good. Good.
Yeah, she's not very excited about him at all. She's just not really interested at all.
Good deal.